Most buyers think the only way to win in a multiple offer situation is to offer way over asking price or waive the home inspection completely. Those can be options, but they are not the only options, and sometimes they are not even the smartest ones. When a seller has several offers on the table, they are usually looking at more than just the price. They are looking at certainty, they are looking at timing, they are looking at risk, and they are asking one simple question: which buyer is most likely to actually close? So yes, price matters, but a strong offer is really a package. You may be able to improve your offer by tightening your financing terms, increasing your earnest money deposit, providing stronger proof of funds, or having your lender personally call the listing agent to confirm your qualifications. You can also make the offer easier for the seller by being flexible on the closing date, limiting unnecessary contingencies, shortening response deadlines, or offering terms that solve the seller's specific problem. For example, some sellers need a fast closing, others need extra time to move, some may need a short post-closing possession period. The strongest buyer is often the one who understands what matters most to the seller. Now, this does not mean you should take reckless risks. Waiving inspections, removing contingencies, or offering appraisal gap coverage should only be done after you understand the possible consequences. The goal is not to win the house at any cost. The goal is to make a smart, competitive offer that protects you as much as possible while giving the seller confidence. Here's the question most buyers should ask before writing an offer. What can we do to make this offer easier, cleaner, and more certain for the seller, without putting the buyer in a bad position? We put together a free report called Top 14 Multiple Offer Strategies for Getting an Offer Accepted. It walks through practical ways buyers can strengthen their offer beyond simply raising the price. If you want a copy, comment "offer" below or send us a message, and we will get it to you. And remember, in a competitive market, the best offer is not always the highest offer. It is often the offer the seller trusts the most.